Welcome. And again, we are seeing strategic merge path and with inline patches and with the separate file. So it is similar to the JSON 6902. However, that inline patch and separate file, the process is the same. So let's start demo. So we are creating a directory mkdir SMP demo, and in this SMP demo, I'll create a mkdir that overlay inline and mkdir overlay separate. Now I'll create a file in base directory and need to create a base directory also. So base directory. So I'm creating a deployment file in the base directory. Just show you tree. So base overlay inline, and we are in the current directory. This current directory, if I pwd, so you will see that we are in the SMP demo. So control L, pwd, and then tree. So you will see we are in SMP demo, and there is a folder base overlay inline and separate. So first we'll create a deployment file. So paste. So simple deployment is there. I'll just copy paste. So we have created actually we are trying to create this in this directory. So this is the path actually for the base. We are going to create in the base directory. So now we'll create a customization file in the base directory, and in this customization.yml file we only give the resources section resource, that is the deployment. Sorry, here also I had made the same mistake. So wq, sorry. Now so if I want to create a strategy overlay means inline, so how do we write? So in control L, and if I write a tree, so you'll see that base deployment.yml and this there. Now we'll create overlay inline customization.yml. So customization.yml, vi customization.yml, and here we'll give the resources paste. So we'll give the resources and whatever the patch we need to require. Full YAML file, but whatever we require we'll place here. Just like we are changing the replicas to 5 here. Okay. And target is the deployment. So here I will not change this container image. We'll change only replicas. Okay. So target is deployment and the new app, and here patches. So here is base, means it's one directory upside. So escape wq, because we are here, so one directory up, so that we have written that type. So now kubectl customize and customize overlay inline. Okay. Sorry, this customization file we need to create in the this overlay inline. So we'll copy this cp customization.yml as root smp demo overlay inline. Now I'll just kubectl customize. So you'll see here the replicas is 5. You can apply it, just apply. Sorry, it's not this control L, apply -f, and this. So deployment app is created. So control L and get deployment. So you'll see that there is 5 replicas available too. It will be available. Yes, it is available now. So this type, if you see what we have done, we have given the resources path because we want to locate to that customization file, and then from that customization file this patch would be applied. So if we see, so I'll just show you in this graphical views. So these are the, so this is the thing, but here this YAML is actually by mistaken created. This is the our interest part. Okay, so here in overlay means, here it is the current directory, and the current directory is what this SMP demo. This is the SMP demo, and from here actually from this customization file it will uploaded it will redirect it to this path, because here it is in overlay. So we have to go to the one directory upside to go to the base directory, and in base directory, so if you see we have written base. So if I'll just type cd dot we are in cd overlay inline. Okay, ls. So from this SMP demo we can reach to the base. Okay, and when we type cd dot then you will go to this SMP demo, and from SMP demo you can directly go to the base directory. So you'll see we can write these 2 dot and this base. Great. Hope you understand. So this is the path, and similarly, whatever things required to change, we have put it here, all the things, and whatever not interested, we have removed that things. This is the target, and this is the inline. Now, when we go to this SMP demo for strategic merge patch. So separate file demo. So what we will do, vi customization.yml, sorry, wq, we'll go to cd dot and ls. So we rm, because this is not required, cd overlay inline. We'll copy this file just to save some time. cp customization.yml to root SMP demo and overlay separate. So now ls, so cd dot control L, cd overlay separate. So you'll find this customization.yml file. So v customization.yml file. So here, what we will do here, we don't need to define this all things. We'll define this all things in the separate file, and we'll give the path here. So what we'll do, we'll create one patch YAML file. So here, instead of define this all things, I'll just copy it here. Instead of defining all these things here, I need to give the file patch.yml, and I'll create one more file patch.yml, and here I will give whatever the stuffs are there. So replicas is 3, and I don't want to give this stuffs now, and rest of the things are not required. So I'll just copy and wq. Now customize. Sorry, here we had done instead of path is required. This is not patch. So wq. Now, so here you will see that now the replicas is 3. What customization we had? So here replicas is 3. We can give it to 6 number also. So I'll give it to 6 and wq. So customization.yml. Okay, wq. So current directory. So you will see C, and then you can apply it. So in this way, we have completed this strategic merge for both 6902 and strategic merge patch, inline, and separate file. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet for patch dictionaries, and then we'll go for component, then generators, and then we'll complete this customized series. Thank you so much for being here till time.